Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question for calculator use, you know, meant for the SAT. So this question goes like this. Can I use my calculator to solve regression problems? Okay, now to answer this question, the the obvious answer to this question is yes, capital letter yes. The TI-84 and many crystallographic calculators have regression functions that can model linear and non-linear data. Okay, so I think so far I am the only one that have you know recorded video on using the TI-84 plus to solve regression problems. I think yeah, when you go to this video, you should be able to find where I showed how to solve regression problems using this TI-84 plus. This 2 hour long video. Okay, I think is part of my my explanations or the technique I showed when I was showing how to solve statistics problems, with this T84 plus calculator. Yeah, I think it's in this video. So go through this video that is staring at you. It's a 2 hour long video on SAT math calculator use. Go through it. You should be able to find this exact solution to this question using the T84 to solve problems on regression and statistics. Okay, so that will be all for this uh, for this video. In case you don't find it, then check my playlist on the calculator. I also did it there, but I think you'll find it in this particular long video. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.